Fix print head errors on the HP SmartTank 210, 580, 590, and 5100 printer series. If your printer does not prime after print head installation and you receive a print heads missing error message on the printing software on your computer, follow the steps in this video to fix the issue. You would also notice that the attention light on the printer is on. One or more print head icons blink. One or more ink icons blink. And the resume light is on. Step 1. Determine which print head caused the error. Look at the control panel display to determine which print head caused the error. If the tricolor print head icon is blinking, the tricolor print head is the cause of the error. If the black print head icon is blinking, the black print head is the cause of the error. If both the tricolor and black print head icons are blinking, both the print heads are the cause of the error. Step 2. Check the print heads. The printer might be experiencing the error if the print heads are not correctly installed. Before checking the print heads, make sure the ink tanks are at least half full and paper is loaded in the input tray. Turn on the printer. Close the output tray extender if it is open. Open the front door. Wait until the carriage moves to the center and stops. Make sure the print head carriage latch is closed. If the latch was not closed, push down to close it. This might be the source of the error. Try to use your printer again before proceeding. If the latch was closed or you are still experiencing the error, press and release the blue latch to open the print head cover. Remove the print head that caused the error, and then set it aside on a protected surface. Caution! To prevent ink from leaking, hold the print head by the sides and keep the print head upright at all times. Confirm that there are no packaging materials still remaining on the print head. Make sure the plug on top of the print head has been removed and make sure the tape from the print head contacts has been removed. Slide the print head back into its slot and then gently push at a slight upward angle until it snaps into place. Close the print head cover and push down on the print head carriage latch to close it. Close the front door. If your printer has a scanner, it might require an alignment. An A blinks on the control panel and an alignment page prints automatically. Follow the instructions on the page to scan it and align the print heads. Step 3. Reset the printer. Resetting the printer can recover it from printer errors or failures. Press the power button to turn off the printer. If the printer does not turn off, disconnect the power cord from the printer. Unplug the power cord from the power source. Wait 60 seconds. Connect the power cord back to a power source. HP recommends plugging directly into a wall outlet. Connect the other end of the power cord back to the printer. Turn on the printer to complete the reset. If none of the steps in this video have helped solve the error, contact HP customer support at support.hp.com/contact.